Hi, I'm Michal Trojanowski, and I'm here with my colleague, Gary Archer. We want to give you some info about our workshop at the Nordic API's Platform Summit this October.
Our workshop will be a 4-hour session that provides a detailed introduction to OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. There'll be some theory and we'll talk about the architecture benefits, but it will also be a highly interactive session where everyone gets to run logins, use tokens, understand the various flows on their laptop.
We will follow an API-first approach, so you will learn how to design and use tokens that allow your APIs to properly authorize requests. You will also see how using OAuth flows enables your web and mobile apps to authenticate users in many ways.
The end result is a scalable architecture that keeps your security up to date. If you're new to OAuth or you're using it already but you have some uncertainty, make sure you sign up for the workshop and we'll give you this thorough grounding. All you'll need is a laptop with access to the internet, and we'll use a web browser for the interactive sessions.
Have a look at the provided links, and we hope to see you in Stockholm this October.